Welcome. The Helpful Tips Show will be starting very, very soon. This is our intro. My name is Roger Keisling of KeyWebco.com and KeyWebco.net. We talk about many subjects here. One of them is making money. If you need a website or you are checking in on Tuesday, use our video chat lobby at KeyWebco.net. Just log in and there you'll be. Today's show will be on a myriad of topics, and I'm glad that you guys made it here to watch our show tonight. If you need excellent shopping, you can always find that at keywebco.com. If you need to know what kind of products to sell, we can help you out there too. Again, my name is Roger Keisling of keywebco.com and keywebco.net. New this week, our free KeyWebco ebook. Check it out. The KeyWebco book is an autobiography about Roger Keisling, myself. The book is loaded with helpful tips that I share on my journey. It has stories about my personal life, and it also has my basic history. You can read the book or download it for free easily. It's from BookRick. Feel free to post a comment, share, and like my book. If you have any ideas or information you'd like added, feel free to reach out and let me know. The book is easy to find. You just go to the bottom of keywebco.net, and there it is. To turn the page, you just simply tap the screen. It starts off with a welcome page. In the top right corner, you can find a grid which will show you the chapters. I am adding more to this book over the next year. One chapter is about myself and my business, so you have reference on what I'll be talking about. The next chapter is about selling online. You're going to love this. It's loaded with helpful tips to help you on your journey too. In this chapter, we discuss websites, stores, and services, again, loaded with helpful tips for you. Each week, I will be adding a new ultimate guide. You're going to like our ultimate guides. You can get those free at keywebco.net at the bottom of the page. Use our ultimate app. We discuss our KeyWebco YouTube channel and shows. I also have an enormous page full of recipes and tips. That goes with our Recipes for You app. You're going to enjoy that as well. The imprint section is basically the page credits at the end of the book. Downloading the book is very easy. You just simply press a button and it will download very easy and free for you. I hope you enjoy our book. I designed it that I can share my story, and hopefully you will learn and enjoy it along with me. All at keywebco.net. Thank you for watching our show, and I will see you at keywebco.net.